Silhouette pole, and today we're going to learn the Peter Pan spin. When doing a Peter Pan spin, you want to make sure your hand is high, your inside arm is high. Then you're going to walk around the pole until you get to the side of the pole. You're going to take your outside arm and put it low, and you're going to make sure the top arm flips. And as you flip, then you're going to be into this position. Now that you're in this position, you're going to take your outside leg, kick it around, and this is the spin. And when you get down, back to the other side, you're going to go on the balls of your feet and turn around. And now get up sexy. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. If you decide to redo the routine, be sure to tag me.